Welcome to Fraser C Robb's. We are a Stihl dealer. We supply, hire and service all of Stihl's trusted range of domestic and commercial equipment. Visit our showroom in Drimmen to explore a wide selection of Stihl tools, including lawnmowers, strimmers, blowers and chainsaws, all available to view in person. We also stock ride-on lawnmowers and the latest robotic mowers, which we can demonstrate so you can see exactly how they work. Alongside our equipment range, we supply PPE and essential consumables with options across petrol and environmentally friendly battery-powered tools. Whether you're hiring or buying for garden or ground care equipment, choose Stihl from Fraser C Robb.